Surprising twist in the case of the drunk driver who confessed to killing a man, and he posted that confession on YouTube. Matthew Cordle will be back in court today, where he is expected to be arraigned, a day after a judge blew up at him and his defense team. ABC's Lindsay Davis has that story for us.
I'm sorry you all came. I'm sorry you all came for this whole big thing. There's no reason to be arraigned here.
Judge Julie Lynch visibly annoyed on the bench Tuesday after she says 22-year-old Matthew Cordle and his lawyers blindsided her.
My name is Matthew Cordle, and on June 22nd, 2013, I hit and killed Vincent Canzani.
Cordle made headlines after posting this emotional video confession to killing a man in a drunk driving accident back in June. He said he'd take full responsibility and plead guilty. But Judge Lynch tells ABC News Cordle's lawyers flipped the script on her at the last minute.
Apparently, there was a YouTube video. That YouTube video stated some things in it that were told to me by defense attorney and by prosecution. This court has not seen the YouTube video.
You came in thinking they were going to plead guilty.
Everything was going to be guilty. I'm somewhat incensed by somebody who isn't forthright with the court.
So why would Cordle plan to plead not guilty despite his assertions? His attorneys tell us it's just a common maneuver to get the legal ball rolling, and that they planned on changing the plea to guilty immediately.
Would you say you were blindsided by her response?
I was blindsided by the fact that we didn't go through with an arraignment, because the prosecutors that I spoke with knew our plan was to enter the not guilty plea at that time.
But Judge Lynch says they're trying to game the system. Under Ohio law, entering a guilty plea would lock in the judge, in this case Lynch. And Judge Lynch believes Cordle's team got spooked after she told him she didn't know how she'd sentence Cordle, who faces anywhere from 2 to 8.5 years in prison for aggravated vehicular homicide.
It seems pretty clear he's going to plead guilty. And once you commit to pleading guilty, there's only one question left. What's going to be the sentence? And who determines that? The judge. And which judge you get can make a big difference.
Cordle's team maintains they're not trying to manipulate which judge handles the case. The same judge will be handling today's arraignment, and the defense has the same intent, at least initially, that they plan to have Cordle plead not guilty. Sentencing will likely take place sometime next month with a judge that is still to be determined.